It's that heat, boy.
Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this brand new Grand Theft Auto 5 glitch. This here's a really easy RP glitch. It's probably the best one that I've seen. And yeah, before we get into the video, guys, I just want to say if you are new to the channel and wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be really appreciated. Let's just get straight into the video, guys. And yeah, see you later. Peace. Alright, guys, to start off the glitch, you're just gonna want to make your way over to the arcade. Now, guys, if you don't have the arcade yourself, your friend could help you do this. But anyway, guys, what you want to do is just make your way over to the arcade, and once you spawn in, you want to run over to the heist planning board, which is just right up here. Now, once you're here, you want to look for the one that is, so you want to look for this, you want this to the left, and you want to just start up the very first mission. Now, this here will take a couple of seconds to load. Now, guys, once you spawn outside, all you want to do is get onto your Oppressor Mark II, Deluxo, or any flyable vehicle. You don't really have to have a flyable vehicle, but it is much faster if you do have one. You could use a helicopter too. You could use the Buzzard. It's fast enough too. Now, guys, what all you need to do is actually just make your way over to the casino. Now, guys, once you're at the casino, you will see it'll say go to the casino at the bottom of your screen. Once you're at the casino, it'll change and it'll say scope the casino or leave the area. All you need to do is just leave the area. Just go back, just start driving back to your arcade. And once you're within a further enough distance, you will see at the top of your screen that you get 2,500 RP. Now, guys, that was really quick. That was about 20 seconds, and boom, you get 2,500 RP. And yes, guys, you can actually rinse and repeat this here. So I'm going to go and do this here again. So I'm just going to fly back to the arcade. Okay, so all you need to do is just run inside your arcade. Once you spawn inside your arcade, you just want to run over to your heist planning board, and then you want to go onto the one that's at the very left here, and you just want to so you just want to go up to this here board right here, and then all you need to do from here is just start up the first mission again, and then you'll go through another loading screen which will take about 5,000 years. Once you spawn outside, all you need to do is get onto your vehicle, and from here you just need to fly over to the casino again. Now, guys, as you can see, this is actually really easy, and it literally requires no effort at all other than having to fly in there and fly back. But guys, you get 2,500 RP every time you go there. It's pretty easy glitch, and you cannot get banned from this here. And now, guys, think about this here, you do it 10 times, there's 10,000 RP.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
What I meant to say, guys, is if you do it 10 times, then there's 25,000 RP, and if you do it 20 times, then there's 50,000 RP. And guys, the glitch is actually so fast to do too, it's not even right. But guys, once you're at the casino, all you have to do is to wait for that there to say scope the casino or leave the area, and then you just need to drive back to the arcade. Like, literally, guys, this glitch is so easy. Literally, I'm gonna be grinding this year out, getting to rank 120, because that is the rank everyone wants, let's be honest. But yeah, guys, if you did enjoy the video, then do be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn post notifications on, so you're notified whenever I upload another sexy glitch. And also like the video, guys, and comment something positive. Doesn't have to be to me, or it could be literally be I hope you have a nice day to someone in the comment section. I don't really mind. And yeah, guys, peace.